The Hennepin-University Partnership is a collaboration between the University of Minnesota and the largest government in Minnesota, Hennepin County.
It's a framework for collaboration. It's lots of different things. Let's hear from just some of the folks who've been working together over the last couple of years.
We worked with the Youth Center for Early Education and Development to evaluate child and staff interactions at 4 libraries to understand how they foster literacy.
I conducted a programmatic review of the tax forfeited land program at Hennepin County that resulted in changes in how they auction the properties.
I represent my department on the cohort that supports research on projects like organics composting.
I shared my expertise about early childhood education with county employees, and I'm conducting research with the county now as well.
I worked with a law school capstone class to analyze changes in energy laws as they relate to the sale of energy from the county's waste energy facility.
I conducted research to answer the question whether a light rail provided access to jobs for low-wage workers.
I recently hired a university student to help collect and analyze data to evaluate, plan, and research programming options in my work with community corrections.
I worked on a real-world problem evaluating the effectiveness of a business waste recycling program.
I reached out to the University School of Public Health to arrange training for my staff as our community prepared for a possible case of Ebola.
The Hennepin-University Partnership connected us with the capstone class. We wanted to look at the cost drivers of family shelter in our community. And those students were able to determine that it was young parents with young children who didn't have a high school degree that were our cost drivers. As a result of their research, we initiated the Stable Families Initiative, which really focuses on those young parents. It started a year and a half ago, and since then we've seen a 30% decline in family shelter in our community. That is opposite the rest of the country, which has seen an increase in family shelter. And it all started with that capstone class.
Hennepin
University
Partnership.
Connecting where it counts.